Welcome to Forex Films. Today is Wednesday, July 27th, 2011, and we're just a couple hours after US session close, and we'll just go through the majors today. The major news event of the day that really moved markets was the US durable goods orders, which were much worse than expected, and we saw a very quick rise in the US dollar, which you can't tell on Euro chart, but it has been more than halfway retraced very quickly by the time the US session closed, and the US dollar index, which really says we'll have more continuation to US dollar losses, and we arrived somewhere in the 73.40s, I believe, and the support I was looking at was about 73.25, but due to the magnitude of the dollar increase and its subsequent reversal, I believe that it's going to make a new low below 73. So we'll keep a close eye on that, but here the euro is much more bearish. So this is the daily chart, and we totally retraced yesterday's entire bull move. But the bullishness we can get out of this is wave 1 here, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 3. Now, wave 4 usually goes to the area of wave 4 on one smaller degree, which is right where this wave came to. This is also in the area of the 38.2% retracement, Fibonacci retracement, and we're coming close here to my short-term support EMA. So all this looks like we could have bullish continuation, and this euro move really surprised me, especially with German CPI being slightly better than expected. But I was actually totally out of this position. I only had a small long position on the Australian dollar left over, so we're still doing good with that. Let's take a look at pound dollar, and it's kind of the same situation as the euro, only it found support quicker and didn't make as bearish of a candle here. Australian dollar, we continue to move higher. We haven't really made too much of a retracement here. We really came back down right to this previous all-time high and started moving higher since then. I'm still very bullish this pair. At most, I think we'll have a period of consolidation. I don't think we'll have much in the way of retracement, and really I think it'll probably bottom out more near 109.50 if it does come down, and stay really above 109. If we look at this support down here, that's right below 109. So we'll see how this works out, but I still like being long the Australian dollar. And today I did get back in on the EUR USD. It was somewhat prematurely at 1.44, but I think we still have good potential for this trade in the coming days. So on to dollar yen, and we actually had a candle that closed above its open, but this is really just a signal of continuation, so I think we'll continue further down. Actually, tomorrow night we have quite a bit of Japanese economic releases, but I don't think it's going to make much difference in the technical look. And dollar CAD. The dollar actually recovered quite a bit against the Canadian dollar, but looking at short terms, this is kind of rounding off, and we could just reverse lower again here. Dollar Swiss. I went long in a very small position on this yesterday. I only made about 20 pips, and I just got out of it because it's not really going anywhere. Did much better on Australian dollar and Euro US dollar, but we may be rounding up here a little bit and experience some retracement in a fourth wave before one final low, maybe like 70.7950 or something, and then we can have the true reversal. But we still have risk all the way down to 0.75, and we just got to watch this and see if it looks like it's going to go ahead and reverse, and if it does look that way, then I'll buy in again. New Zealand US dollar. This has been not quite as bullish as the Australian US dollar, but this has been considering, or it keeps making new all-time highs, and you can see it just keeps on. And I think it will continue doing that until our real US dollar reversal. And speaking of US dollar reversal, I don't think there's any chance of that happening until the US debt situation is ironed out and the US credit rating situation is ironed out. This is because even if the debt ceiling gets raised, US doesn't default on any debt, and we get in a slightly better fiscal situation, our credit rating is still in danger, according to quite a bit of authorities, and we've seen lots of talk for this for a couple weeks now. So I don't think the markets are going to allow a true US dollar reversal until that point. So I really look lower than dollar index 73, maybe 72.50. I have to go back to my US dollar index analysis from a couple days ago before I can find out what my targets were again. And if you like, I'll put a link in the description of this video. You can also check that out. Thanks for watching. Good luck trading. Keep selling dollars.